Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, few important things you have to understand here is that a zone breakout happened at a level of $3. Okay, if the zone breakout happens around $2, then a further fall we can see, but it happens above a level of 3, and chances was very high because this is an 8-month pattern breakout, so chances was very high it can go further upside, and it has already made a high of around 3.55, and more than that you can say it has went to a level of $3.5974, a high it has made. After that there is a little downfall we have seen, but remember, if something has to go up, it will not go directly a sharp upside, it will hold for some time. That is how it goes. Okay, in the same way it comes down like this, it will come, not a sharp upside or a sharp fall. Okay, second thing is that there is a gap pending at a level of 4.1. okay, and then previous that we can see a pattern was forming in natural gas. Okay, a similar pattern would have formed for the 6th or 7th time, but it didn't situation we have seen in Russian, okay, and Ukraine. Otherwise, what we have seen that the price would have gone a further upside movement. Now, after moving in a 8-month zone, it has moved out, and chances can be high that if the price keeps sustaining, then we can see a further upside movement in the price of natural gas. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, look at this particular chart. What you can see looking at this particular chart, it is trading at a level of $3.5110. Okay, and chances can be high, suppose if the price sustain this level, and a probability is high that we have seen it is trying to form a doji candle at this particular level. But if you look at this particular chart, two candles are similar, and chances can be high that if the price sustain this level, a level which is trading at, okay, you can say 3.5120, if the price sustain, it can move towards its next resistance at a level of $3.5672. okay, and if the price move above that particular level, chances are high that it can touch a level of 3.5882. okay, and once the price sustain above these two levels, then we can see it can go further upside, and then we can see it can cross a level of around $3.5602. okay, and this level is already being a weak level, so chances are high it can cross a level of $3.6, and then chances of touching a level of $3.7 we can see. After crossing a level of 3.6093, then we can see it can cross a level of $3.7460. okay, $3.7460 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can touch a level of $3.9414, and if the price sustain above that level, a further upside we can see towards 4.1. okay, so keep that in mind. As soon as started sustaining above 3.5, probability of going towards 3.6093 will be there, and from there a probability of touching 3.7287 is there. If the price sustain above that level, chances of touching a level of 3.9491, and then we can see this gap can be filled. okay, so now, as I've already explained you, that market is always uncertain. If you are thinking it will move as per you, no, it will not. What you have to see, you can look at the chart where the trend is. okay, always try to set your SL, because market is uncertain. As you have seen, some war situation can come, or anything can come overnight, so always try to set your SL so that your capital can be safe. Always try to trail your SL, okay, so your profit can be saved. okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, let's see, if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can go towards its next support coming at a level of $3.4593. this is the support. If it moves below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of $3.3137. okay, and if that level move further down, then a probability of going further down we can see, and it can touch a level of $3.1404. okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, chances of going further down we can see, and then what we can see, it can go towards a level of $3.053. okay, Again I repeat, if the price didn't sustain, it can move towards a level of 3.4593 to a level of 3.3137, and if that level move further down, then we can see a level of $3.1404. Okay, so once the price fall below that level, then we can see it can come towards its next strong support of 3.053. As soon as it comes in this zone, we will see it will move again in this zone, and a probability of going towards below a level of $3 we can see, and then it can touch a level of $2.9338. And if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see, and then a probability of going towards 2.7803 we can see. Okay, now if the price fall below 2.7803, a further downfall we can see, and then it can go towards 2.7506, and from there a further fall we can see. Okay, and if the price fall below $3, so understand that it will move again in a zone of 3 and 2. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've got the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.